Njengamanje Umnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uzama ukuthola isibalo nokuhlonza abantu bakulelizwe ababambeke eMiddle East ukuze babuyiswe kuleli uma sekuphephile ukundiza kulesi sifunda.
What is happening in the Middle East is calamitous. It is the most dangerous development that could go way beyond the Middle East as well, because it now engulfs many more countries than just the 2 countries or 3 countries. So it's very concerning.
Umnyango Ramaphosa uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngenqushunqushu zase-Middle East.
I had occasion to speak to some of the heads of state in that area and pass on our commiserations to them and hope that their own people will be safe, but also to ask them to safeguard the people from our own country. So the world is facing a very dangerous period at the moment.
Impi phakathi kwe-Iran, Melika ne-Israel ibe nomthelela wokuvaleka kwemizila yemikhumbi ehambisa impahla emazweni ahlukene. Phakathi kwemizila evalekile izibulo iStrait of Hormuz elisetshenziswa kakhulu ngamazwe amaningi ukuwela nowoyela obuya eMiddle East. Umengameli uthi imikhumbi yamazwe ivumelekile ukusebenzisa ulwandle lwakuleli ukufinyelela lapho iya khona.
Well, in the end, whenever there's turmoil around the world, we always find that we in the south become a safe passage. And we will give safe passage for goods and for ships that can come via our shores. So we are so safe and solid when it comes to that.
Ningizimu Africa ivule izandla ekutheni ilekelele ekulamleni lempi yase-Middle East.
Well, South Africa is always ready to play a contributing role, either in mediation or whatever. And if a gap opens or if we are asked, we always live up to obligations. We're a global citizen and we therefore can play whatever role the UN would like us to play.
Lokhu kuzofaka ukuxhumana nabaholi bamazwe abandakanyekayo.
We have issued a clear statement that we want a ceasefire. We want this madness to come to an end. And Donald Trump is very busy right now. He's got a war on his hands. And obviously, if the opportunity were to open, we would talk and say there must be a ceasefire. Dialogue is always the best way of ending conflict and then ending war. And we want this war to come to an end immediately. We're losing too many lives and unnecessarily so.
Namhlanje ingena osukwini lesihlanu impi yase-Iran.